Today, a fresh unboxing kicks off with a sleek mid-range tablet, its unassuming exterior hinting at hidden capabilities. The reveal shows precision build, a metallic frame, and a vivid display, inviting viewers to peek beneath the surface. After powering up, the test begins with a real-world task simulation, then moves into deliberate pressure from bends, heat, and quick drops to expose durability quirks. Next, internal components are probed through a teardown-style scrutiny, explaining why certain plastics and metals withstand stress differently. The finale crowns the device with a performance verdict that challenges expectations and sparks further curiosity.